very subtle the Bible verse, Matthew chapter 7 verse 12. Do to others whatever you would like them to do to you. Then if I am your leader, now you tell me, what kind of leader you want me to? That is the indication in the Bible right now. That is all about the role of the leaders. नोंथाङा माबायदि लुबैयो गुबुननिफ्राय नोंबो बेखौनो मावो देलाय होननाय नोंथांमोननि मडेलाव आरो somebody tell William please tell how do you नोंथाङा माबायदि जाजानो लुबैयो नोंनि लिडारखौ only one please tell in one word what that your leader should do one choice one time फोथायजानाय नो trusted the leader should be trustworthy then nani equal how should your leader be like suppose I am your MLA suppose I am your MP how should I be in one word please nani menas saben baru saja anyone ji sistem beda committee not present distinguished person guests my dear brothers and sisters, first of all, I pray the Lord. We need to do an improvement. Just a improvement. Become out of play. Makanya suku jangan kembali. What is my topic now? Yeah, I know. Para program ini melalui another sudden change. Might affect your psychological response. I know. Drugs. Ini sebenarnya sebenarnya kena sampai kena Bible. Anggur otak sing ada subjek ini selesai. Pakai Bible. It's okay. Itu bunga ini sih kan mesti sesuatu tentang memang one thing I felt it is devil. What is drugs? Kebangasan yang dengan business kepada define kalam mereka. You have to see the terms. I come back to my subject. Illicit substance. Illicit ni pilihan saya baik. Bahaya mana aku bahaya. Drugs mana? Saya yang mulia drugs. Terus sama dengan saya drugs. Orang mana yang mulia ni? Aku mulia hari itu drugs nama ni. Drugs ni lebih bawa macam ayu, benua, actually. Nanggo makasih kanjar muka tradisi tu sama orang kintu. Drugs ni bawa mulia ni drugs. Ini bicara nama bukan illicit. Si ustu kuhai, menjaya tu janai, warna ini para janai. Benu bani illicit user. Betul macam mana? Hai, betul bicara mana? Ni macam sana tu mah. Drugs nama itu di mana? Aku saya berillicit. Exactly not that. Tadi yang sampaikan saya role of public leaders. Akan kalau bukan apa yang berlaku seperti ini, disebut fungsi. Matthew chapter 7 verse 12. Do to others whatever you would like them to do to you. This is the essence, all that is in the law and the prophets. I repeat, do to others whatever you would like them to do to you. The leadership role, sapun the victim role, directly, indirectly, you are also directly or indirectly, you are always a leader to your younger brother. I was a leader from my brother income. Today is a issue. You are a leader to your sons and daughters. Maybe bisa pun ini leader kan. Ibu siapa yang menjadi leaders. In general, let's come now. Karena very simple language, very subtle the Bible verse. Matthew chapter 7 verse 12. Do to others whatever you would like them to do to you. Then if I am your leader, now you tell me, what kind of leader you want me to? That is the indication in the Bible right now. That is all about the role of the leaders. नोंथाङा माबायदि लुबैयो गुबुननिफ्राय नोंबो बेखौनो मावो देलाय होननाय नोंथांमोननि मडेलाव आरो somebody tell William please tell how do you नोंथाङा माबायदि जाजानो लुबैयो नोंनि लिरनायखौ only one please tell in one word what that you are leadership one choice one time फोथायजानाय trusted the leadership is trustworthy meaning then now you are how should you leader be like suppose I am your MLA suppose I am your MP how should I be in one word please nani mana saben baru sasi anyone just give availability a leader should be available anytime gratefulness helpful yes helpful and anything you feel or serving attitudes meaning humble attitude no yeah any other we should be exemplary life any more mama is just a little smart like our yes smart in dressing smart in outfit yeah transformer I mean motivational yeah motivator begitu kedua that is what we all want our leadership meeting 12 morning like the whole thing is there from the very side young teacher I have one thing in my mind leaders are the one who should lead in all situations in all matters either it is in a very high condition or in a very lowest state leaders are to lead at the cost of your loss and damage leaders are to lead in my idea and one more thing I wonder in my mind is always that leaders they have to motivate improve others' life. You should be strength for the weak, and eye for the blind, ear for the deaf. One problem you must be facing, that's why you have given in the topic. Role of the leaders is that today in our arena of this political war, we lose our identity. We lost our identity. जोंनि सिनायथिखौ जों खोमानानै लायो। साफ्रोमबो मानसिया मानसि महरै बुजिबाय नालाय God made you human being, not God, not animal. God made you human being, जोंखौ मानसि बानायबाय नालाय जोङो मानसिनि इमेजखौ लाखिदों। While God created you like His own image. दा बेखायनो बे मोनसे distinctness-खौ जों लाखिनांगौ आरो मोनसे core value थाबाय थानांगौ आरो जेरावखि सहैया माने। दा मा जायो जोंहा सम जोंनि ट्राइबेल लेडार स्पेसियेलि जोंहा माखासे weakness दङ। We feel to adopt everyone. We have a Naga friend. He told Nagas are different. He told very proudly, yes, in many ways Nagas are very strong. Some of their styles are depending them. बबेबा बिसिनि आखुआ बिसोरखौ रैखा खालामनो especially I am talking now to the Boro community. नोंथांमोना नोजोर होबाय जोंनि मेक्सिमाम लिडारफोरखौहाय बिथाङा मोना कमप्रमाइज खालामनो थाब लुबैयो मालायनिखौ सबसमाय साबसिन लुबैयो आरो मालायनिखौ साबसिन God has not made us any mistake of keeping us in the Bodoland, I suppose. God has not made us a mistake by keeping us in Assam. When I was a small boy like William and many of you, I used to think, why didn't I born in America? I used to read, I used to see the painting of James Bond and Van Damme, Napoleon Peck and all those things. I used to see their luxurious society and I used to compare, why am I born in India? But today I realized that God made me here to be in Bodoland. I feel the resources so beautiful. The first and foremost, one need to understand your identity. Don't lose your identity. And to conform to your identity, one person you need to be understanding is God Himself. Unless you know God, God is God, you will never know who you are. Unless you know that God is in you, you will never realize your responsibilities. See? Let me read one more Bible passage and insert my version today. First Corinthians chapter 10 verse 13. No temptation has overtaken you except what is common to mankind. Mobiba moनसे temptationआ नोंखौ माब्लाबाबो लांखारफेराखै जाया बेयो normal जोंनि life situationआवहाय. And God is faithful. He will not let you to be tempted beyond what you can bear. नों सैथोनो हायैजासे इसोरा नोंखौ मालाबाबो आनजाद लानाय नङा होनदों. And when you are tempted, He will also provide a way out so that you can endure. You can endure it. There will be temptation in the Bible actually. Exactly, addiction is not mentioned. Maybe it was so well the writers, the prophets were writing the Bible, they did not use this word addiction. But this temptation is in another form of this addiction only. दा बेखायनो नोंथांमोना जेखि परिबेसाव थाया मानो इसोरा मालाबाबो नोंखौ हगारसारनाय नङा होनदों. बेनिफ्राय बारग'बोनो हानायनि मोनफा मोनफा राहाखौ इसोरा बुंबाय थादों. दा नैबे रल अफ लिडारशिपनि बेलायावबो बेखौनो लादों आरो जोङो सब समाय साबधान जानांगौ. जेखि परिबेसाव थाया मानो आङो पलिटिक्सआव फैनायखौ जों रोंनांगौ. दहाय ब्रादारा बुंदों. My father was not Peter, and we have always servant in our house, and the servant is always my babu, you make the tobacco. You are making it so tasty. And I will make it because they are encouraging me. I will make it almost 30 minutes in such tasty way. I will make this tobacco. And then lastly I will eat. I like the smell of tobacco. But I cannot consume it. I like the smell of the wine because my father was a drunkard. We are born from his blood, but I never drink. See, situation was there, but it was strong. That is the addiction, dependence on something, otherwise you cannot live. That is what a simple terms of addiction. The behavior, now I am a politician. I have to bark at him. Sima, Roma, Nazari, Salutari, Rudashina. This, we just look at God, super bark at something like that. I have my brother today in the political domain. If I come, if I have to bark at somebody, so to break, give my Jews, I get Kibargal, Kapri, Zakuna, but say, I'm the right. I'm when that's much very good. Sumayana, he is Somali, Katai, Mara Musi, Tinakinana, Awasatai, the Zigi Vidafra, Tinikamazan, and Kubawasan, Punana, the television type, said Kubabu Kila was in the same level of Punana, constructive Ziki Mama, they have been young, my dear brother has presented a beautiful version about how dangerous drug addiction is. So, I was about to ask you actually. We have ED, we have ID, we have NIA, we have GROW, we have CBR, so many agents who could tickle down the NDP and today no more NDP organizations. Who could tickle down the Alpha, almost Alpha is in no form, they have compromised. If that mass outfit can be brought to the knee, why can't the government of India net these drug peddlers and why it is so much important. I feel more or less government drugs system government sincerely बोलो सही अभी तक नहीं किया है क्योंकि हम जब पूछा था अवेयरनेस के बारे में अभी तक तो सरकार का तरफ से इस विषय का जो अवेयरनेस है ऑलमोस्ट नीड so absolutely we are very serious जे basically जोंनि समाजाव जोंनि फोसाबनो हायो जोंनि समाजा गोरोबग्रा जानांगौ जोंनि गिर्जा लेभेलावहाय पाद्रिफ्रा वेल ट्रेन जानांगौ I think you may have to call them especially again in the church level make a seminar our pastor reverends and the deacons need to understand it in a very systematic way जाहाथे बिथांमोना गावनि गिर्जाफोराव गावनि स्कुलफोराव बे जिनिसखौहाय जोंनो फोसाबना लानो हायो दा जोंनि सानडे स्कुलनि सिलेबासफोरा बे ओरिएन्टेड जानांगोन मालाबा जोंनि ग्रुपनि टीम आरो टपिकफ्रा मालाबा is the Holy Bible fail to take over this drugs trauma बेफोरखौ सोंनांगोन pastor have to come reverend have to come no हमारा Bible में सब है it's not a failed book dan नोंथांमोना बेफोरखौ सोंखौबो बेबायदिबा लासै जोंबो गिर्जानिफ्रायनो सांग्रां जानो हागोन जेरै नागालेण्ड बेनिफ्राय जों मोनबोबाय फोलावलिया बेखिनिखौ बुंबाय नोंथांमोननि जिबायदि सार्भिस you have given us so much to eat almost 9 or 10 items I counted जानायखौ थिगसे जाहोबाय साहा पानि गासैखौबो होजोबबाय गोबां खस्थ' खालामनानै जायखौ खालामबाय बेयो वार्ड doing I congratulate all of you God bless you keep up the work thank you so